Hello there guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So in this video I'm going to show you how to make this Canva camera design in just 5 minutes, plus you will get a free template link in the description below. So let's start. First of all, basically we're going to open up a blank presentation design in which I'm going to go to shapes and insert a rounded cornered rectangle. The next thing I need to do is just put it into the middle and the center, change its corner rounding to 24. And I'm gonna make sure that I give it a straight line and then change its color to yellow, but a lighter yellow skin color. Then I'm gonna duplicate it. For duplicating shapes, you can use Ctrl plus D key, or you can just use the keys here, then send it to the back from layers. And then we're gonna go to uploads, and from here I'm gonna upload a star image. You can get them from Pinterest by searching hand drawn stars. And I'm gonna put it in this rectangle after changing that rectangle's color to purple or whatever the color you want. Then I'm gonna insert a circle from shapes, and then I'm gonna just give it an outline like this. Duplicate it using Ctrl plus D, and I'm just gonna put it right here on top of that circle again. Go to layer and select both the circles and click on Ctrl plus G key, and we're gonna group them, and similarly we're gonna make copies of them using Ctrl plus D key. So what I'm gonna do is like add a text box, and for this I'm gonna be using a font which looks whimsy like this. Let's put all the shapes together, and I'm just gonna search for a happy face, and from here I'm gonna get the smile that is for free, and I'm gonna put it in one circle. Then I'm gonna search for heart, go to shapes, and from here I'm gonna choose the best heart that I have. I'm just gonna put it right here. And then I'm gonna search for dots, and from here I will find these 3 dots for free, and I'm just gonna go to layer and group both of these by duplicating them. After that I'm gonna rotate it like this and then put it right here. And next I'm gonna search for a circle, go to shapes, and I'm gonna insert a large circle, decrease the size and put it right here, change its color to the color that you're using, then give it an outline, and the outline I'm gonna use is for DP. So next what I'm gonna do is duplicate the same rectangle that I'm using for this whole camera, put it right here. I'm just gonna cut that shape and move it here, paste it again, go to layer and then send it to the back. And for this rectangle shape I'm gonna send it to the back as well, because this is the button for the camera and it will stay half behind. And I'm gonna duplicate this rectangle again and make sure that both rectangles have some boundary space between them. Next I'm gonna search for a frame, and from here I'm gonna use a rounded corner frame, and I'm gonna give it a rounding of 24 as well, and make sure that the outline for the other rectangle is visible. So let me just zoom my screen so that I can see if the outline is visible or not. Then what I'm gonna do is like add a color to that back rectangle, insert a circle, duplicate it. And then I'm just gonna change the circle's color to black after duplicating it again. Increase the size of the camera, and what I'm gonna do is just add my text, give it some whimsical font again. Then I'm gonna give an outline and change the outline's color. I'm gonna go with light purple for this. And go to layer and then send it to the back of this camera, and it looks like this. And then I'm gonna insert an image in my frame. Now what you can do is just go to elements. From here we're gonna search for keychain, and from here you can find some pretty keychains to put on your camera on the right top corner. So basically this is what I made. If you like this video tutorial, make sure to hit the bell icon, and if you want this template for free, check the link in the description below for sure.